Hey, it's Bob from Air Dynamics. I'm here to answer some questions you've asked us about your HVAC systems. Will my air conditioner work without a filter? The answer is yes, it will. I do recommend not running it without a filter due to dust and dirt and mold that can get into your system. Can my air conditioner reduce the humidity in my home? Some systems dehumidify, they actually have a setting for that. Some don't. You'll have to look with your HVAC provider to see which system you have and where we can do to help to change that. Can an air conditioner cause carbon monoxide? An air conditioner does not cause carbon monoxide. That would be only on your heating side if you are gas, oil, or propane. Can an air conditioner make you sick? An air conditioner can make you sick if there's mold and dirt inside your system. My advice is to call your HVAC provider and have it serviced once a year to prevent that from happening. Can an air conditioner run on solar power? Yes, it can. The right system, sized properly, will run on solar power. Best thing to do is to contact your service provider to check and see if your system is capable of running on solar power. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, or comment below to have your question featured in our next video.